Welcome to Tech Tips for Genealogists, focusing on a 30-day challenge to create a faster, safer digital workflow for your genealogical research. Our goal is to remove small frustrations that block research by completing one task a day, 10 minutes or less, leading to a fully backed up, organized digital archive. Week 1 is all about optimizing your browser and workspace for speed and focus, giving you the best digital environment for your research. Set your homepage to your top archive, organize tabs into groups by surname or location, and pin essential tools to your taskbar for smarter searching and faster starts. Navigate your screen like a pro by using keyboard shortcuts like Win plus arrows or Max green button to tile windows. This allows you to transcribe without constant tab switching. Week 2 focuses on capturing and naming your finds. We'll move from I found it to I saved it instantly. Capture evidence, not just links, using screen capture shortcuts, OCR tools to turn handwriting into text, and screen recording to capture your search path. The golden rule of file names is to rename immediately upon capture, using a consistent format like surname, given name, record type, year, and location. A named file is a findable file. Week 3 is dedicated to organizing your digital archive, building the permanent home for your research. Build your digital filing cabinet with a consistent, predictable structure. Consistency allows you to navigate without thinking and ensures every file has a predictable home. Adopt professional documentation standards. Use heading styles for auto-generated tables of content and narratives, and freeze the top row in research logs to keep headers visible. Structured data reveals patterns that narratives miss. Week 4 is all about backing up and building forward, focusing on security, preservation, and digital legacy. Disaster-proof your history with the 3-2-1 rule. 3 total copies, on 2 media types, with 1 copy off-site or in the cloud. If it doesn't exist in 3 places, it doesn't exist. Ensure your archive outlives you by setting cloud permissions to private, storing credentials securely, and naming a digital executor for your legacy. Your archive should outlive any single password. The tools are in your hands. You now have an optimized browser, consistently named files, an organized archive, and secure, backed up data. Open your tree and research with confidence.